Hello. Here we introduce a function called pprint in Python, which compared with the print function, it will print the better format, especially for complex data objects. So we go to Python IDE. So first we will import library pprint from pprint, and we also import an ordered dict module from collections package. Then we create an ordered dictionary. So ordered dictionary, which means the dictionary's elements will be stored or printed out with the same sequence when it is created. So here is the first key value pair, second and the third key value pairs. Then we use print this ordered dictionary first. You can see the form is like this. Then we use pprint, almost the same because it's a very simple object, so it's quite the same. Then we create a second object which is also a dictionary, and with the 3 key value pairs when the user and the status are very simple values, but the metadata is quite complicated because it is hierarchical dictionaries inside the values of metadata. Then we use normal print function to print this dictionary first. You can see the user, metadata, and you do not know which is the third element, key value pairs, and where is the status. Quite difficult to find, maybe, right? Status here, user, then metadata. But if we use pprint, then you can see the first key value pairs is the metadata, then second is status, then third is user. So if we just imagine if we have, for example, 100 key value pairs like this one, so you can see the quite significant difference between print and pprint in Python. Thanks for watching.